Hey guys, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to do the vinegar and baking soda challenge. I was going to upload it from my friend's iPod because I did do this before and he recorded it, but we weren't able to get onto my YouTube account onto his iPod and he couldn't upload it from my laptop. So I'm going to just redo it, and yeah, here's the baking soda and here's vinegar. So I'm pretty sure you can see. Yeah, let's do this. Oh. Hmm. Um, yeah. Um, don't don't do that. That was worse than the first one. I didn't think it was gonna be as bad, but it was slightly worse. And I don't know if you can see that. It kind of exploded, and it was like it tastes salty and just it's not right. Don't don't do it. It tastes like you're swallowing the ocean or something. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment on what other challenges or something that you want me to do. Thanks. Bye.